Well, welcome again. I have another Hot Wheels. This one is the Night Burner, the HW Tool-in-One Track Stars. Pretty weird looking machine, isn't it? There it is. So let's open it up and see what's inside it. Okay. That pretty jazzy. Lots of chrome in there. A spoiler in the back. Jazzy wheels. Fat ones at the back, skinny ones at the front. So it's quite a jazzy looking machine. Graphics look like buttons on the side. And of course, like all Hot Wheels, they roll really well. So, but what's this on the back? Well, that, I'm pretty sure you blow in it and it turns it around. So I'll give it a try, see what happens. Sure does. I blow into the mouthpiece there and you could hear the sound and it just turns in there. So it's got moving parts in it, something interesting. I thought it might actually whistle, but I'll do it again so you can hear it. Yeah, that's your Night Burner.